С вами нескучный русский. Меня зовут Лариса. Здравствуйте. Grammar. Russian cases. Nominative and prepositional. Russian nouns are declined. That is, they change their endings according to number and case. Мама, мамы, маму. Case shows the function of a noun in a sentence, and there are 6 cases in Russian: nominative, genitive, accusative, dative, instrumental, prepositional. The nominative case answers the questions who or what. It is an initial form. All dictionaries give nouns in the nominative. Студент читает. The student is reading. Студент. No change in the nominative case. The genitive case is used to show that something or somebody belongs or refers to something or somebody. It can be translated by of in English. Берег реки. The bank of the river. Река, реки. The ending a becomes I. The accusative case designates the object of an action. Я читаю газету. I'm reading a newspaper. Газета, газету. The ending a becomes u. The dative case designates that something is given or addressed to the person or object. Я иду к врачу. I'm going to the doctor. Врач, врачу. The ending u is added. The instrumental case is used to denote an instrument that helps to make something. Я пишу карандашом. I write with a pencil. Карандаш, карандашом. The ending om is added. The prepositional is used to designate a place or a person or object that is an object of speech and thought. This case is always used with a preposition. Она мечтает о лете. She dreams about the summer. Лето, лете. The ending o becomes year. The case of a noun is often connected with a preposition that stands before it. The nouns, adjectives, pronouns, and numerals may have different case forms in the sentence. Thus, to understand Russian speech and speak Russian correctly, this is necessary to learn how to use cases in Russian. Today, we'll take a closer look at the nominative case and the prepositional. You have already seen the nominative case forms for some nouns. This is the basic form that is given in vocabulary lists and in dictionaries. Студент, берег, газета. Nouns in the nominative case indicate the subject of a sentence. Мама работает в библиотеке. My mother works in a library. Mama is a subject of a sentence in the nominative case. A predicate noun. Коля – студент. Коля is a student. Student is a predicate in the nominative case. Notice that the present tense of the verb to be is not used in sentences of this type. Nouns in the nominative case answer the questions кто, who, or что, what. Лена учится в школе. Lena studies at school. Lena answers the question кто. Кто учится в школе? Answering the question где. Где Лена учится? The prepositional case is used with the preposition в, in, at, and на, on, at, to show location, the place where something happens or where someone or something is. The prepositional singular forms for most nouns of all genders are formed by taking off the nominative case ending, if there is one, and adding the ending «е». Институт в институте. Школа в школе. Училище в училище. But nouns with the letter «и» before the ending take the ending «и». Гимназия в гимназии. Россия в России. Feminine nouns that end in a soft sign also take the ending «и». Сибирь в Сибири. Examples. Петя учится в школе. Он школьник. Петя studies at school. He's a schoolboy. Кто учится в школе? Петя. Где Петя учится? В школе. Кто он? Школьник. Коля учится в институте. Он студент. Коля studies at an institute. He's a student. Кто учится в институте? Коля. Где Коля учится? В институте. Кто он? Студент. Нина учится в университете. Она студентка. Nina studies at the university. She's a student. Кто учится в университете? Нина. Где Нина учится? В университете. Кто она? Студентка. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Петя учится в школе. Он школьник. Коля учится в институте. Он студент. Нина учится в университете. Она студентка. На сегодня это все. До свидания.